Hi guys, VST here with NSP. This is my Pixel 6 running Android 13. Those are my headphones, and just wait a minute guys, opening the box here. Wait. Wow, what do we have here guys? Nothing here. We have the first dynamic island implementation on an Android phone. Okay, let me just try to open this one more time until this is not visible on the screen. Boom! Nothing here guys, absolutely mind-blowing, and I know it's a bit gimmicky, but it's there guys. So if you want to find out more, yeah, just keep watching the rest of the video. Hi everybody, VST here with NSP. Remember when the iPhone 14 was released that I put a post, you can check it on my community page, that very soon Dynamic Island is going to be adopted for Android. Now I was browsing my Twitter guys, there's this guy called Vibehive Jane. He saying here's how to get iPhone 14 Dynamic Island on Android. And there is a catch though, by the way. It's an application name called SmartBird. The first version only supports connected devices and charging animation. Great job done by the developer, created by a developer from China. Download in your own risk. Yeah. I mean, I will do this so you don't have to do it. I will now download this application, install it to one of my phones, and then let's check together how close to the Dynamic Island this is. Right, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for this channel guys. So I've opened this web page with Google Chrome to try to translate this, and by the way I got some very nasty warnings guys, so again, just if you want to try this, please try this at your own discretion, else yeah, just watch me doing this on one of my phones. The SmartBird app is a tool software that imitates the theme of Smart Island. Alright, Smart Dynamic Island. You can download this software on your Android phone, directly experience Apple's Smart Island theme. It is quite innovative to use, interesting trends and etc. Okay, good guys, so yeah, just let's try to hit here the download link, and so once I'm able to get through the page, it's only 1.6 megabyte, alright. So I'm just trying to download it. Let's see. I'm not able to download it on my PC. It wants me to scan a QR code, so it seems to be very dodgy. But okay, let me just do this, guys, and yeah, let's just see what will happen. All right, I have my QR code scanner, guys, and now I'm scanning this. And yep, I got a link. So let me just try to open that link. I'm now opening this on my phone, guys. Yes, there is indeed an APK file. All right, again, I'm doing this so you don't have to do. So stick around and see what happens. Alright guys, I've downloaded this to my Pixel phone because I want to test this on Android 13, and by the way I also tried to scan this with some scanners, so nothing really weird was found, but I still will not post a link because I'm absolutely not sure what it is inside this file that is only 1.7 megabytes. So okay guys, yep, I will now try to install it, and yeah, just hope for all the best guys that I'll not really suffer from this. So app was installed. Oh my god, it's all in Chinese, by the way. So, okay. Alright guys, let's have a second try. I think I figured it out. I have to click here and provide this option to display over the other app. So I even don't know how this is called. So I have to just, okay, this is it. This is this application. And I'm now going to allow display over other applications. So, alright, I'm back and, oh, wow, what do we have here, guys? Oh my god, that is really insane, man. You can just see how I'm trying to manipulate the size of it. Yeah, hello Apple, hello Dynamic Island, guys. Jesus Christ, I'm not sure, guys. It's probably risky. We already have some indication how that will work. Now, sadly, this doesn't really work right now with quite too many things, but it should be functioning when I try to connect my Bluetooth headphones. So let me just try this. Let me just get my headphones and try to connect them. This is my Pixel 6 running Android 13. Those are my headphones, and just wait a minute, guys. Opening the box here. Wait. Wow, what do we have here, guys? Nothing here. We have the first Dynamic Island implementation on an Android phone. Okay, let me just try to open this one more time until this is not visible on the screen. Boom! Nothing here, guys. Absolutely mind-blowing, and I know it's a bit gimmicky, but it's there and it does work. So yeah, if you want to try this out, the link to the Twitter post will be in the video description. Please like, subscribe to the channel, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye.